welcome and welcome back to my channel, Do It with Lily. In this video I have a new recipe for you and I'm gonna show you how to do hot sauce at home. All right, I'm Haitian, all right, I'm from Haiti, so we used to do that. And if you're someone who loves hot sauce, you like to put it in your food, this is a way for you to make it yourself. And trust me, it is way better than the one at the store. So we're gonna use hot peppers, all right, and then this is Maggie. That's the one that I made at home. I have this video on my channel, you can check that out. And red onion, lemon, and we have lime and sour oranges. If it's your first time stopping by, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you can get every video that I post and whenever I post them. All right, and for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you. Okay, thank you guys. Yeah, so we're gonna continue and I'm gonna show you step by step everything that I do to make this simple hot sauce. Okay, keep on watching. I begin to
for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.
Now that I'm done adding everything in the bottle, I'm just gonna shake it and just to make sure everything is coated together, and then I'm gonna put that somewhere in my pantry. I'll leave it there for a couple of days, and then yeah, I can use it. And I just noticed that I don't have as much lemon, lime, those juices in there, so I'm definitely gonna add more just to fill it up. And this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.